We go now to the Amarillo, Texas National Weather Service forecast discussion. And the highlight over here is a potential storm system which could bring rain or snow to the area for an extended spell this week. This is a developing situation. I don't think it looks to be too intense, but we will be checking right now what the latest developments are. We're going to start off with the hazardous weather outlook. 3:41 a.m. Central Standard Time, Monday, December 11th, 2023. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected. Days 2 through 7, Tuesday through Sunday. Trends continue to see the potential for multiple days of showers across Wednesday through Friday. While there's a good chance that all areas will see rain to start, there is increasing potential for a changeover to snow Thursday evening and overnight through Friday. Potential for winter impacts due to accumulating snow look to be most favored in the western and central panhandles. Here's the forecast discussion for that period of time. This is from the Amarillo, Texas National Weather Service, issued 5:44 a.m. Central Standard Time, Monday, December 11th, 2023, Wednesday through Sunday, issued 3:22 a.m. Main headline will continue to be the next system to bring impactful precipitation to the region over multiple days this upcoming work week. Confidence is very high that the panhandles will see precipitation during the Wednesday to Friday timeframe. The exact amounts remain uncertain as well as the precipitation types. It is not out of the realm of possibility that some locations receive impactful snowfall from the system. Drier and warmer conditions are favored going into next weekend. An upper-level H500 low-pressure system should be located near the southern tip of Nevada by sunrise on Wednesday morning. This will leave the panhandles underneath southwesterly flow aloft. At the surface, southerly to southeasterly winds will continue to usher in Gulf moisture across the southern high plains, and this trend will continue through Friday. Scattered rain showers may be ongoing across portions of the panhandles on Wednesday morning and should become more widespread by Wednesday night as the low-pressure system continues to move east during the day. With the system being well off to the west on Wednesday, temperatures should remain warm enough so that the precipitation type should mainly be rain. From midnight Wednesday to midnight Thursday, there is currently a 30 to 60% chance for the central and western panhandles to see a half-inch of rainfall. The upper-level low will begin to become cut off by early Thursday morning near the Arizona-New Mexico state line. With the low continuing to move slowly east, multiple rounds of precipitation will continue to be possible from Thursday through at least midday Friday based on the latest 11 Zulu deterministic and ensemble suit of guidance. Latest deterministic suit of guidance is in fairly good agreement on the overall track of the low through Thursday evening. The main area of concern will be where the center of the low tracks from Thursday morning through midday Friday, as this will play a large part in the precipitation types during these days. Currently, the GFS is the furthest south solution, which takes the H500 low across southern New Mexico and eventually across portions of West Texas. The European computer model and the CMC want to bring the low a bit further north and eventually move the center of low pressure across the panhandles. If the latter scenario comes to fruition, more areas, mainly the central and west, would have the potential to switch from rain to snow during this time frame. Even if the GFS solution wins out, winter impacts are still possible for portions of the area, just not as much of the county warning area. With the low pressure system finally being on shore in time for the Zulu soundings this evening, hopefully models will begin to converge on a track on Tuesday. Overall, the system should be east of the southern high plains by Friday night. The big question that everyone will be, and is probably already asking, is what amounts are to be expected with the system. Based on the 11:01 Zulu NBM probabilities, a majority of the area has around a 30 to 50% chance at receiving an inch or more of liquid precipitation from this multiple-day event. It should also be noted that the typically dry bias GEFS mean is over an inch for the entire area as well. In other words, there is very high confidence in abnormal rainfall for December during these 3 days. The main area of uncertainty is with regard to potential snow amounts. And unfortunately, there is a lot of uncertainty. Even though the GFS track of the low may be correct, he says he's hesitant to believe the very low snow accumulations given by the GEFS. with the known warm bias and model sounding suggesting snow potential at some locations over multiple hours. Given all this, the potential is certainly there for impactful snowfall from Thursday through Friday, especially for the central and western panhandles. Be sure to continue to check back for forecast updates throughout the week given the uncertainty with the system and its potential impacts.